What's going on? It's your girl Kia Moore, and I'm back with another video. Today is part 3, the 4-part series on how to braid. The style for today is the Havana twist, also known as the passion twist. So if you want to see how I completed this look, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Hi guys, so we're just going to get into the video. I thought I was recording earlier when I did those first 3, but right now you can see me pre-braiding my client's hair for her twist. As you can see, I have a knot in the hair. Please, I beg you, if you experienced a knot within your client's hair while braiding, please do not rip those strands of hair apart. Take your time and diligently go through the hair to release the knot with a rat tail comb or something, but just do not pull it. It's very unhealthy for the hair. So yes, I'm braiding down a braid, and I'm not going to braid it completely. I'm only going to braid it 1/3 of the way, so it can act as a base for the twist, since my client's hair is so soft. Okay, so here's a better angle of me adding the Bohemian twist here to create the passion twist for my client. Ooh, honey. Child, I need to be sitting in that chair right now. Please excuse me, as I've been very busy with work, beautifying everybody else. But oh, trust and believe, I'm next. This should be a better angle for you to be able to see how I twisted the hair with the braid to create the passion twist. In the front section of my client's hair, she has blonde and brown color, so she wanted a mixture in her hair. So I mixed in color 27, number 4, a 1B, and a 30 to get the colors that she have in her hair now. When you're using the crochet method to complete this style, sometimes after crocheting the hair, it might bulk up at the top. So if you constantly pull it and stretch it and pull the hair out, it will even out at the top and it won't look bulky, if you understand what I'm saying. Like that bulky, messy, out of place look. The more you pull it after you crochet it, the more the hair will come into place for you to twist it. The method that I'm using to part her hair is known as a free part method. It gives a fuller look versus the straight line, box, oval, square, or whatever. This parting is mainly used when you want a fuller, thicker look. So that's the look that she wanted for this style. So that's what I gave her. The blonde hair wasn't long enough, so I had to add more blonde hair into it. So the way that I did it, my hand was in the way. I'm trying to explain it. The way that I did it was I split the two pieces of hair that I was twisting and inserted 2 extra strands of hair into those 2 pieces, and I twisted them in opposite directions and twisted them together. I can do a tutorial on that if you guys want to see that as well. Okay, so now we're at the top. So I realized that braiding them individually and then doing the twist was very time consuming and tedious. This is a very time consuming and tedious hairstyle. So what I began to do was individually braid the hair first, then add the twist after, and it cuts so much more time. You'll see. Excuse my client, she was falling asleep in the chair. Oh my goodness, she jerked so hard. She was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was like, you're okay. So I went and braided or pre-braided the braids that would be used for the twist, and that, like I said, cut my time tremendously. Top of the head is one of the hardest spots for me to complete because I'm so short and my chair doesn't go down any lower. So if you see me struggling during this portion of it, that's why. It's because I'm so short. I really enjoyed doing this style. It was fun, easy, and my client loved them. I thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get updated on the next time that I post. I can't wait to see you guys again at the next video. Bye.